Well, hello guys, how are you? My name is Annette Williams, your passive income girl. And if you're watching this video, you probably have opted into my Bitcoin Tube, and I want to just give you a walkthrough today on how to navigate the system and also give you some tips and tricks to earn as much as you can, as fast as you can. And welcome to this program. You've made an absolute great choice to do so. This is one passive income program that I am totally enjoying. Very easy to do. Don't take a lot of time. So I don't want to prolong this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that. I do appreciate that. So let's just jump right into it. And by the way, don't forget to click that button as well, the little bell, so that you can make sure that you get any updated videos that I share, because I do make quite a few lately. Okay, let's just log in here. Well, before I log in, right here, it's telling you right here, getting paid. You can get paid up to $210 per video. This is not a hoax, guys. This is true. Take this business very serious, because you can really make good money here, and it's not a lot of work. Up to 150% ROI, or return on investment. Turn every $1 into $1.50 as soon as possible. Let's just log in here. And before, I want to show you one more thing before you log in. Let's see here. We'll get to it in a second. This I've already pressed the login button. I just wanted to remind you guys to make sure that you read the directions even before you log in, because it gives you a lot of information that will help you. Let's log back out for a second so I can show you what I mean. Okay, let's go down here. It's telling you the steps. You obviously create your account because you're watching this video. Accumulate bonus video points is the name of the game. You will hear me refer to these as BBPs, and inside the system is BBPs as well. So you want to accumulate those as much as possible. And you get paid every day. You literally get paid every day. So it's pretty cool. Okay. Let's just go down here. Right here, they've changed it up a little bit on here, but that's okay. Advertise and make money at the same time. Receive 100 bonus video points daily for free with bonus videos, and I will show them to you in just a second. No sponsoring or referring required to make money on with Bitcoin. However, by referring, you can make some extra passive income. So I do encourage that. Earn up to $210 per video for 20 seconds. You're only watching these videos for 20 seconds. Forget pennies, earn dollars in 20 seconds. The truth. Guaranteed daily ads according to BBPs or bonus video point groups. Fixed max 10 videos daily. So they're going to give you 10 bonus videos daily for free, even if you don't put a dime into this platform. Earn $1.35 for every $1 advertising purchase. They call them ad packs. I will show you that in a second. Purchase 100. You got 13,596 return on investment as soon as possible. So the ad packs. By the way, if you become a premium member, which I show you more of that on the inside as well, you get to actually get 150% on every dollar that you put in, because every ad pack is $1. And with those ad packs, you're going to get 3,000 bonus video points. You're going to get 100 views to any YouTube video that you choose. You're going to get 50 clicks to any banner that you choose. These could be any business that you're doing, additional to my Bitcoin Tube. So it do not have to be my Bitcoin Tube. So it's really cool. My video views have just grown tremendously, guys. receive 50 lottery ticket. Receive a free lottery ticket for each video you watch and win big prizes. And they do have a lottery. It's really cool, guys. So make sure you're watching all your videos, because you can actually win. They pay you Bitcoin for it that you can use to purchase your ad packs and move faster in the system. So make sure you do that. Receive free lottery tickets for every paid video. So you get paid videos, you get your bonus videos, you get 10 of those, and then you also, once you become a premium member, you'll also get super videos. So it's really, really cool. They changed the outside a little, but that is very important information right there that I would have covered once we log in anyway. So, but yes, guys, this is a real business. Treat it accordingly. It's going to reward you greatly, 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 guys. So let me just go ahead and log in here. I'll just have to click on I'm not a robot. I want to make sure nobody's cheating the system. So here we are, guys. I've really already the videos, the new videos, the 10 free bonus videos will come in 7 p.m. Every evening, Eastern Standard Time. Also, you'll get 10 paid videos as well. As far as the super videos, they come in randomly throughout the day. You never know how much they're going to be worth. It can be from 1 cent to $50. So, and only premium members, guys, get these super videos. So you want to make sure you become a premium member, because you want as many of these bonus video points as you can get. I'm growing pretty cool here. I haven't been in very long, so it just goes to show you. You see right here, my join date was October 31st, and already I'm at 203,000 points, plus points. So I'm in groups, just in group 6. I've really been letting the system do the work pretty much for me, making sure I click all my videos every day. But I am a premium member as well, because it just makes sense, because you're getting 3,000 bonus video points instead of 2,700 bonus video points as a regular member every ad pack that you purchase. And you want, the more you grow these, the more money you're going to make. And let me just show you exactly what I mean here. Let's go here under frequent asked questions. Scroll down right here to this chart. And as you can see, you have 10 groups. And you want to, since I'm at 200,000, I'm back to 200,000 in group 6, because I'm between 180,000 and 360,000. And I'm going to show what these points are equal to. I'm going to go ahead, though, and just purchase enough ad packs to get me here to group 8 at least, and then work my way down, because then group 9 is 5 million to 15 million, at 15 million, and over 15 million you're in group 10. And I'm going to show you why these groups are so important. And then, as you can see, it's all about the bonus video points. So you want to make sure you're growing those as rapidly as possible, which takes me back again to becoming a premium member, because it allows you the most bonus video points. Okay, so let's go here under earnings, and let me show you this, guys. Let's scroll up a little so you can see it better. Right here, it tells you the amount of money that you'll make on a daily basis, depending on what group you're in. Now, as a free member, and you start in group 1, that's once you get 1,600, by the way, 1,600 bonus video points. You start off at group 1, which is 10 cents a day. Then, but as you grow those points, you get to group 2, it's 24 cents a day. Group 3, 60 cents a day. Group 4, $1.40 a day. Group 5, $3 a day. Group 6, $6 a day. Group 7, $12 a day. Group 8, $24 a day. Group 9, $48 a day. And group 10, $129.40 a day, guys. Now, of course, this fluctuates. I'm not sure if you've ever dealt with any type of cryptocurrency, and Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency. it fluctuates with the market. So these will change, but I will tell you, since I've been in, I haven't seen it under $96 for the 10th group. And these usually pretty much, they're solid. Pretty much I've seen these spin solid, but nothing is guaranteed as far as what the currency is worth. But but you can pretty much count on. I would say, like I said, the lowest I've seen in Group 10 is $96. The rest of them have been pretty stable since I've been in. That's been since October, as I've just shown you. So it's really decent income. You're only watching YouTube videos for 60 seconds, and as you can see right here, your videos will come here. You get your bonus videos every day. I've already clicked on mine because I always try to do mine very early. I will get more. These are actually banners. Remember I told you get 50 clicks per banner for any other additional business you may have. These are banners that people have placed on the platform. So that's a really cool thing as well. So, but back over here, you get the bonus videos. You get 10 for free as a free member. Your paid videos, you at 1,600 points, you start getting your videos, paid videos to equal your 10 cents per day. But of course, you want to make money. I know everybody here is here to make money. So what you want to do is you want to become a premium member so that you can get super videos ranging from 1 cent to $50 as well. The more bonus video points that you accumulate, the more money you're going to make. Okay, so recycle videos, they have them. They're not doing those right now because something happened with the system, and they're working on those. But trust me that these three right here is enough to do anything you want to do with while they're working on the recycle videos. And by the way, recycle videos are videos that people don't click on in enough time. By the way, it can be 36 hours to click all your videos. If you don't click them within that 36 hours period, they recycle them and they split them amongst the premium members. Everything's about the premium members. Let's go over to ad packs. So I want to show you these dollar ad packs are just phenomenal, guys. Let's go right here. The dollar ad packs, they're $1, and you can now actually get it at your balance. But what I've been doing is compounding mine. So right now I have 43 cents there because every time I want to make each day, I'm always buying more of these ad packs so I can continue to grow my bonus video points. And that's what you want to do till you get to where you want to be in this business. So right here, it shows you that ad packs are $1 each. For that $1 ad pack that you're purchasing, you're getting 100 YouTube views to any YouTube video that you have. Absolutely, like I said, my videos have just blown up because of that. 50 banner clicks. So any banners that you want to put in any business, 2,700 bonus video points. That's for people that's not a premium member. You'll get 3,000 of those. Okay, 150% return on investment is for premium members. 135 is for people that's not premium members. You want to become premium ASAP, guys. And they do give you different selections to become a premium member. So I gotta close this video out. It went longer than I wanted to, but let's see. Let's go to premium member. I just want to show you this right quick, and then I definitely gotta cut off because my time is running out here. Right here, you can click here. You can do $39.90, $9.90, or $24.90, any dollar term, how many days you want to do it. But guys, I hope this video helped you. I really want to just walk you through this. I'm Annette Williams, your passive income girl. I look forward to working with you guys, helping you be successful in my Bitcoin too. Bye for now. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I really appreciate you, and click the bell to be reminded of my other videos. Thank you so much for watching my video. This is Annette Williams, your passive income girl, signing off.